So before we start, I want to give a little history behind the film and kind of how we are where we are today. I called Jace one Friday and I said, can we make a movie? Can we make one last film before I go? And I said, I want to make an action movie, like a drama action. He said, yeah, let's do it. Why not? And so the next Saturday, I sat down for 10 hours and wrote the whole script. And then I sent it to him. We sat down, we looked at it. We spent 2 weeks casting. That was it. We spent 2 weeks casting and crewing this whole film. So they made a great team. They all worked together and we put together what you're about to see tonight.